Hello guys, how are you? I am Akash Verma and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you a trick by which you can extract the text from images. With the use of Python you can extract the text and use it however you want. So let's get going. As you can see, I have opened a folder into my PyCharm, and in this folder I am only having two files, that is main.py file which is empty, and the screenshot which is the image from which we have to extract the text. In order to extract the text we have to download two packages. One is a software which is called Tesseract-OCR Engine, and search the keywords, and the first link you will see is the official link to the Tesseract-OCR Engine. Scroll down and tap on UV Mayhem. There are two versions of Tesseract-OCR. One is 32-bit and second is 64-bit. I'm using 64-bit because my machine is 64-bit. Since I have downloaded it before, so I did not to download that again. And now go to the pyp.org, which is the Python package official site, and here you can search PyTesseract. Hit enter and the first package you will see is the PyTesseract. Click on this and paste the command which is provided on that page. Paste it into the terminal and wait to install it. Now open the main.py file after installing that and import. I have already downloaded that, so it's telling me that requirement already satisfied. So import file dialog box from tkinter, and I will import PyTesseract as TESS. And to use the Tesseract-OCR Engine command line I will use these commands, and here I have to specify the path of the Tesseract executive file which is saved in this PC. You can get it from the location where you have installed that. So I have installed that in my C drive. I will go to C drive and then program files, and then scroll down to search the Tesseract-OCR folder. Below I will find Tesseract.execute file, and I will copy the path of this file and I will paste this in to here and specify the name of the executive file, tesseract.exe. Now all I have to do is define a function extract. I'm naming that function extract. So I have to select the files from file dialog box. Since I am using only one file, so I'm using ask open file name method, and title will be select image. Text will be the extracted text from the image, and which is extracted by test.image to string. It's an inbuilt method, and we will pass the argument file. And to make that sure, I will print the text and make sure that my program is running without an error. Name equals to main. Now here I will call my function extract. Now let's remove all the warnings like this. Now run the file. Dialog box will appear here. This is in the background. Here is the file dialog box. I'm opening that file I have stored in extract text. I have opened it. Now you will see the text of the file will be printed on the command prompt. You can say terminal. Let's check the text if it is same as the image or not. Okay. Pre-scientific management era before 1880 and pre-scientific management era before 1880. Okay, that's matching. We have done the program correctly, but in order to do the copy of the text, we have to store it somewhere. Now to do that, I am creating a file. The first parameter will be its name. I'm naming it text.text file, and another parameter will be the method, and I will write the text into the text file, and that's all. We have done it successfully. Now run this program by going into the terminal, python main.py. You can see, as you can see, I'm not having any text file there, but after selecting that and running that program, we have a text file successfully. This is your video was all about. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos.